Red Barn Builds 99 back at you here. We got an 04 Lexus IS300 in here. It's Jack's. This is the one that I did the exhaust on. Made that little patch underneath. So what I'm doing here for him is I'm installing a subwoofer. So what I have done so far is I've taken all this plastic trim out. So I've taken the kick panel trim, the B-pillar trim out. I have taken the battery out and the battery tray. Plan is to run the power cable through there, through the grommet on this side, and then run the cables on other cables on this side. The RCA cables on that side, on the driver's side. So I've taken the kick panels out, the rear seat out also. Kick panels out on both sides, driver and passenger, and the B-pillars, so that I can run the wires nicely. He's got a SCAR audio amp, a RP800 1D, 800 watt RMS. It's got this amplifier wiring kit that he supplied. And then here is the SCAR audio. I believe it's 10 inch or it looks like maybe a 15 inch. It's kind of hard to see in there, but I'll turn it around and get a shot of it. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking out the radio. Got the top piece out right there. So taking out the radio, that's the next step. So I'm going to continue on that. So now, as you can see, got the head unit out. Back here where the RCA cables are going to go for the subwoofer, are going to plug into here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start wiring, routing the cables, the power cable and the RCA cables for this side, and the remote turn on wire. So I'm going to start routing the cables. Let's get to it. Alrighty, so I got the subwoofer out. I got the amp mounted to the side of the box. Here is the, looks like a 10 inch SCAR audio as well. It's a nice sub in the box. So now what I'm going to do is get these back panels out so I can get the wiring through onto that. Okay, so the back seat is now completely out. That way, when I run the wires up, I can run them neatly behind and through the back seat wall. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right here. I'm going to get the power cable run, the remote turn on wire run, and then I'll go to that side with the RCA's start from the back and run them up to the head unit. Sounds good? Excuse me, the remote turn on wire. That's going to start at the back of the RCAs and go either up this way or up this way. Probably run it with the power wire so that there's no interference with the RCA cables. That way, there's both power wires are on this side. All that. Alright, so as you can see, I've got the power cable run back here through the back. There's a convenient little stud right here that I was able to put the ground on. Just filed down some of the paint that was on it. It's a perfect little ground stud. So you can see, ran the power cable all the way through. And up in there. And it comes through the grommet right here for where the battery goes. So that's good. Now I gotta do the remote turn on wire and the RCA cables. That's next. Oh, okay, so everything is run. I mounted the fuse right here. Where's the backlight? Mounted the fuse right there to the fender wall. Routed the wire, power wire. The RCA I ran up under here and down all the way back. As you can see, nice and needy, what am I trying to say? Nice and tucked. With the OEM cables and wires. Can't see anything. It goes down under and around the back. Same thing with the power and ground and remote turn on. Goes under there, down is there, and then up. So as you can see, the ignition is on, battery's connected. The amp has power, RCAs are connected. So now it's time to just play some music and see what it sounds like. So now what I need to do is go in the back and just adjust the gain, the hertz, and just adjust some of the stuff back here.
It's a lonely road, but the goal is unforgettable. Inspiration, motivation, dedication, meditation.
So, sounds really good. Sub's bumping. You.
We're on the way back from New Haven right now.
Okay, I was just, everything's connected. All the plastic pieces are still taken apart, but it's all connected, and I was literally just testing it out and adjusting the gain, the hertz, and the
Cool.
what the hell am I trying to say? Subsonic, yeah, that's what I was trying to say.
Cool.
So,
How's it sound?
Well, I'll take a Snapchat video of it.
Cool.
You're not going to be able to really tell over video, but it sounds really good.
Yeah. Word. Awesome. How much longer do you think you need until you're ready?
Well, it's all connected. I just need to put a waterproof connector to the remote turn-on wire behind the head unit, and then I'm just gonna start putting all the plastic pieces back in and the rear seats, and then it should be good. So
Awesome.
I'd say probably 30 minutes. I'll explain how I set it up when you get here.
Cool. Yeah.
All right, sounds good.
Alright, sounds good. See you soon.
Bye. Alrighty, so That was Jack. So let's get back to this.
Only wanted me tonight, telling me to leave her cause she want me providing her. And you know she make money, yeah. She ain't never tryna take from me, yeah. Cause she work, yeah, she really work. Tell me come on over here so I can put it in reverse like home girl, put on 9 to 5, tryna catch you on my 5 tonight. Shawty coming like ride or die, that she wanted me to find the time, cause else got it in the palm plate. Even though I can't play, she's still with me all the way. It's a Friday night, if she with me, I'ma have to slide. She a real grind, a real fine, I'm at wife. Rules pile up, she's still paying it like mine. This sign from my private page, she open up for me. You know my after flying dino. I see all alone, so she put my phone up, say you don't got time for me. She like, why you always have to go for it? She don't want me on the old cause.
Alrighty, so now I'm just going to connect that wire in the back, the remote turn on wire, and then I'm going to start putting all back together, all the plastic pieces and everything. Let's get to that. Say hi. Tell him what's happening, picking it up.
What's up? Gray just did the subs, all installed now.
Oh yeah.
Good to go.
So we're all put back together. Yeah, the lighting sucks in here. Oh yeah. So it's all put back together in here.
Can't see a damn wire.
No wires. It's all put back together. She's good to go.
Yes, sir.
And she bumps.
Yes, sir.
Alrighty. On to the next one. Red Barn builds out.
Yeah, and na 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 na. Yeah, yeah. What? She ready to go? What? She ready to go? Yo, listen. Late now, she chillin' with a glass of wine. She ain't chillin' with the girls tonight. Cause she only wanted me tonight, telling me to leave her cause she want me providing her. And you know she make money, yo. She ain't never tryna take from me, yo. Cause she work, yeah, she really work. Tell me come on over here so I can put it in reverse like home girl, put on 9 to 5, tryna catch you on my 5 tonight. Shawty coming like ride or die, but now she wanted me to find the time. Cause who else got it in the palm plate? Even though I want late, she's still with me all the way. It's a Friday night, so if she and me, I'ma have to slide. She a real grinder, real fine, I'm at wife. Rules pile up, she's still paying it like mine. This sign from my private page, she open up for me. You know my after flying dino. Now she all alone, so she play my phone up, say you don't got time for me. She like, why you always have to go for it? Damn, she don't want me around the hoes cause I be out there in these streets, but my love ain't what she need. Cause she really work, I'ma have to put in work cause home girl, put on 9 to 5, tryna catch you on my 5 tonight. Shawty coming like ride or die, but now she wanted me to find the time. Cause who else got it in the palm plate? Even though I want late, she's still with me all the way. It's a Friday night, so if she and me, I'ma have to slide like whoa. Home girl, put on 9 to 5, tryna catch you on my 5 tonight. Shawty coming like ride or die, but